Your week is going well. Let's get right into it. So the wrinkles that I use are mainly wrinkles I mainly use are called OVO or point O wrinkles, and two things that you're going to need. You're going to need these two indicators called. If you look in the folder or in the drive folder, if you already don't have my indicators installed, you want to go to the folder called Renko Pip, search and drive Renko Pip, and then you want to look up the files called Omnia Remote. This will enable you to control the wrinkles on your selected pair after you have generated your chart. And then what you want to download is point O bar, not point and figure bars, but you want point O bar wrinkles. Okay, and then what you'll do is you just load up your normal chart, all right, and you'll attach point O bar. Okay, and then if you want to start with 1,000 candles, that's fine. That's that minimum. And I just remembered. Okay, so if you have computers that's not so great at loading multiple tasks, or just you just don't have a good computer, do this. Save yourself the headache because it may happen in the future. And what we're going to do is reduce the max bars in history and the max bars in chart. Set them to 1,000 each. Okay, so that way the indicator can have about the exact number amount of bars or candles to work with. You're not, because when you load a offline chart, it's loading that all those 5,000 candles, and you're just implementing 1,000. There's really no point. You know what I'm trying to say. There's really no use to doing that. So I have, after those 2 weeks, you're gonna have to make a decision. You have to either go to this website called OVO to purchase the wrinkles, or I have a free wrinkle builder. Okay, it's already in the files. I don't know why I have not made a video about it in a long time, but OVO should be it should be I'll have the link in the description. I'll have the correct link, but you can YouTube search this OVO wrinkles. Let me just do this quick, even though I'll have this link in the description. Um, so let's see real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. This computer will work with it. So that while that load, okay, just hurry up. So and then this STG Renko chart. This is the free Renko builder that will build up a nice chart for you. So normally you will want to leave that alone. Renko bots offset. Don't mess with that. Offline time frame start. So with this is what you'll do. If you normally work on a 1 hour chart, you will set it to 60 minutes. If you normally work on a 15-minute chart, you will put 15. Okay. So far with the 1 minute, you will just put 1, and then you will want to show the wicks. Real-time update, yes. Exact front 6 characters from the symbol name. I don't know what that is. But template name, I'm gonna exit that out because I don't have the template for that wrinkle. We're gonna use our own template, and that's that. This is time-based use, so it's gonna get the data off the 1 minute. That's fine. So I pressed OK, and and then what you want to do is now you want to click that, and it's going to generate the offline chart for you. And there we go. You have your free wrinkle chart. Me personally, these are regular mean wrinkles. I don't use regular mean wrinkles because I need that consolidation. And with point O charts, because point O charts, they're coded to show the consolidation. Just as much as if we go, I don't know why it's not on here, but uh, let me see. So let me see. Oh, chart still messing up, bro. Hold on. Here we go. So if you go to about, we see that it's from the company. I put in the right information. I don't know why it's not, the website's not popping up. But Ovo, okay, there we go. So I'll have that. Let me just quickly copy that. Okay. And again, just read that when you're on your own time. But 9 times out of 10, if you're not trying to pay, you're going to be using the free version of the Renkos. And the consolidation areas is this. I like that. I'm not going to fuss with that. I like that. You know, that's cool. And then for today's setup, I took a buy. I took a buy. If we go back on these Renkos, I took a buy in this area. And you see what I mean? Like, you see where I need that consolidation? And this could just be, no, I didn't, yeah, I didn't set it for the 1 hour chart, even though this is for the 1 hour chart. But you can see where price is, it's just doing that mumbo jumbo. So if I don't like this price action, all I have to do is close out of there because I need that consolidation. And what I will do is I'll set this to 5. This will enable us to multiply the brick frame. There we go. Now that looks perfect. That looks nice. So, you know, we don't really have consolidation, but like I said, with point O charts, that consolidation art is M's and W's. It is an M and W. So when we finally do get that breakaway, I know that's a significant price movement. It's not just any type of movement. It is the good movement that we're looking for to get in for the buy or sell. And that's that. So now, chilling, you're relaxing, and um, you're doing do. So again, you see with these other pairs, it's been on a downtrend. U.S. oil, beginning this week, I said I want to see them do some type of structure or a retest up here. And it's okay. They've been on a down. Stop hunt highs. Today we didn't really receive any stop hunt highs. US 30 stop hunt lows. Let me see what the overall trend was. Bullish or bearish really. Stop hunt lows. So that's the false signal based on the 4 hour time frame. But this price action for German 30, I'm beginning to love German 30, but just because the price action is pretty much predictable. It's very predictable as far as the pattern. Okay, these market makers, they don't know that I'm out here trading with Renkos. You're going to be trading with Renkos. And this takes away the frustration. This takes away what? The noise that we get with normal candlestick charts, with Fibonacci charts. Okay? This indicators is for us. This indicators for us. And I hope that you make good use of it. Just take your time. For me to actually, it took me about 3 or 4 months for me to get used to Renkos. Okay? So don't expect to just nail it out the park. This is why they have demo accounts. This is why you have to practice. Come at these appropriate times. Come at 3 a.m. and spend a half hour for the brinks trade. Come at 1 a.m. and see what they will do within that dead zone gap time. Okay, because you're going to be rewarded. You see that, right? You're going to be rewarded for the brinks trade. Look at that. And then they retest. Come on now. That's big money. That is big money. How many pips from here? How many pips is that? 300, about 400 pips. You don't even have to trade any other pairs. I mean, you could be humble like me. If I see this, I'll see the setup, but I'm not out here trying to rush. I'm just looking for 2 trades a week, 50 pips. But if I'm trading the indices like this and I see a setup, you're gonna get blessed. You're gonna obviously you're gonna get 300 pips and kill it. So I can't wait for tonight or next week, I should say, when I do see an opportunity. I know Friday we might get that reversal trap where they open the week. Okay, Um, and that's that.